You are managing journal entries in Dynamics 365 Business Central and have imported them into a general journal batch. You receive a revised Excel file that includes adjustments, additional entries, and records that need to be removed. Using the Edit in Excel integration, which two of the following tasks can be accomplished? Select two options.
Option A, update data on a record that is already present in the batch. Option B, add a new record to the journal batch. Option C, trigger the posting of one or more journal lines. Option D, initiate an approval request for selected lines. Option E, remove an existing record from the journal batch.
To consider this question, think about how the Edit in Excel feature interacts with the underlying database. It essentially acts as a bridge for data synchronization. You need to determine which operations are supported by this data sync layer compared to operations that trigger system-level workflows or accounting processes within Business Central.
In my view, the correct answers are option A, update data on a record that is already present in the batch, and option B, add a new record to the journal batch. These operations are fundamental to how the Excel add-in handles data synchronization. The Edit in Excel integration relies on OData web services to perform standard data management. While it acts as a powerful tool for mass updates and data entry, it is designed for data maintenance rather than transactional processing or complex business logic execution. Options C and D, which involve posting entries and triggering approval workflows, are process-based tasks. They require the platform's internal application logic to run, which cannot be executed by simply syncing rows through Excel. Regarding option E, while deletion is sometimes possible in other contexts, the primary and most reliable intent of this specific integration is managing current and new data inputs, making A and B the clear choices.